Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to easily remove your Apple ID without password from your iPhone or iPad. First, go to Google and search My Phone. Go to website and click the product located at the top. Then, find the iOS Unlocker software and click the Lock Wiper iOS Unlocker. If you are using Windows, click Window, and same in when you are using Apple. Then, download it. Wait for it to complete. After the download is complete, go to File Explorer and find the files that you download. Then, right-click and click the Run as Administrator. Then, click Install. And wait for it to install. After installing it, launch the software. Open it and click the Apple ID. Connect your iOS device to PC or laptop via USB cable. After that, click Start and it will now process in removing your Apple ID. It will take time, and once it's finished, you can set up again your device. Thank you for watching and see you on my next tutorials.